Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Beyond Tarot. This is Lavina Tilwani and today I'm going to give a lovely reading for the Cancerians, and let's hope your month is full of surprises, laughter and happiness. So let's see what's in store for you in terms of education. In terms of education, I get this card which is the Six of Pentacles, which is trying to tell me that whatever input that you have, whatever you efforts that you put in your studies, you will get equal results in your output. So say like you have just put in 1 or 2 months of your time in for your education, you will get those kind of results. So try to put your best and try to get the best out of what is in store for you. So work hard and get good marks. Coming to your health. So since this card, the moon card, is also connected to the Cancerians, the moon card represents water element and it is talking about mood swings, overthinking and too much of trusting the wrong people in your life. So in terms of health, be little careful where it comes to overthinking and where it comes to mind games. So people might be playing mind games with you, which will directly affect your health. And people who are having issues with their hormones or anything to do with taking medications for any of the health ailments related to your mind, maybe schizophrenia or anything to do with dementia, these are the things that are connected to this card. So be little careful while trusting people, because this is a time where people could really upset you, and the moon energies of like the new moon and the full moon energies could be hitting you very hard in this month. Coming to your love life, I get the Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles is talking about having a private life where if you are into a relationship, try to keep it more private and don't say anything to anyone about the relationship right now, because the relationship is in a very delicate stage and it is more to do with practical thinking about the relationship. And don't go about telling people about your partner or the relationship if it has still begun, if it has just begun. If you are already married and all, you have to be a little practical and don't expect too much out of your love relationship, because already the relationship is going fine, but more practicality is required from your end. So I hope this reading resonates with you, because this is a generic reading. It may or may not resonate with all, but if it does, don't forget to comment in the comment section and we would love to read your reviews. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye.